This video we are going to see love and the general for the sign of let me just see which sign I have to do. Let's do it for Sagittarius. Okay, so this is going to be a love in the general for Sagittarius. Keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. If you do not try to deliberately fit in. Check any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. I'm a Vedic astrologer, palmist, and tarot reader, and provide readings at all the three. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, you can do that. If you want to join my Law of Attraction workshop, we've done 9 batches so far, and it's 200 students plus that we've done so far. So if you want to be a part of that, you can just send me a DM. And I've shared my Law of Attraction workshop testimonials on my Instagram. You can go there, check, and then enroll if you want to. All right. So yeah, this is going to be for Sagittarius. And right off the bat, I saw 10 of Wands, which shows to me that you are overburdened by something. Maybe you're taking other people's responsibilities and now you feel overburdened by the situation. All right. Give me a message. That was quick. So we have Knight of Swords. Some of you waiting for a communication from an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And I see somebody is rushing in to communicate with you. Some of you, there could be a career opportunity also rushing in towards you, and you are being asked to go through it carefully before saying yes or no. Okay, it's like some of you will be very frustrated and it's like you're just waiting for something to come in so that you say yes or no. Don't do that. Okay, just go through the thing carefully and then make a decision basically. 2 of Pentacles, you definitely have more than one option. So yeah, it's like you were waiting for something for a very long time and things were pretty in a juggling mode, or somebody was juggling you sort of. Okay, and now a decision is coming in. So whatever you were waiting for, I think lately you've started losing hope. Whatever you were waiting for, you've started losing hope and you think it's never gonna come. I'm waiting for like last 7 months, or maybe since July I'm waiting, something like that for some of you. And you are trying to drift away from that. You're trying to move away from putting in the work, and the cards are telling you don't do that when you're just about to get the results. Okay, so don't do that. I think some of you are also using Law of Attraction because 7 of Pentacles is basically your manifestations coming into fruition. So maybe you were manifesting something consciously, subconsciously, and that's coming in, but you are planning to leave. So it's like you're very close to getting the success, but you just plan to leave then. So be careful, right? What else in love for Sagittarius, please? So we have Queen of Swords. You're definitely messing up with an air sign, is what I see. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Somebody is ready to cut you off, or somebody had cut you off. And I think because of that, you are now in this phase where you'll be like, I'm never going to entertain this person. When I was waiting for them, they were never coming in. But now when they come in, so this is how this person is coming in towards you, but you're just turning your face towards the opposite and you're ready to cut this person off. 10 of Swords. There's definitely, what's up with an air sign, you guys? What's up with the air sign? There was an air sign, I think, who was showing infidelity. They were involved with someone else. You got to know about it and you've cut them off. But yeah, this person is coming back now. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Signs are not important, I'm telling, because some people want to hear them. But yeah, I definitely sense some sort of third party infidelity, cheating has happened here with an air sign very specifically. You got to know about it, and it was very sudden that this thing just ended, and now it's like they're rushing in to communicate with you, but you are just cutting them off because you're done with their BS and you don't want to deal with it. Okay, what is this person coming towards my Sagittarius? What are their intentions? So we have so many cards filled. I'm gonna put them back. All right, let's see. What is the intention of this person coming towards my Sagittarius? So we have Ace of Cups. They have love for you. That's the intention. This person has love for you and they want to come in and show that love to you. They want to make an offer. After cheating you, by the way. Either this person was straightforward cheating you, or this person was never over their ex. So maybe their ex was a big problem between you and them. Like the topic of ex always came back because this person had an issue of clinging back to past. And that really frustrated you and then you left. This person has feelings for you. They are going to open up and communicate. Right now, they are holding back a lot. Some of you, this person might have ghosted you, or you've just cut them off and then they just disappeared, and now you think this person is over you, but they are not. It's like right now they are introspecting how and when can they come forward to you, but they will, because we have Ace of Cups. So it's like they will be coming back with some emotional talks. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There's a Virgo very strongly. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. There's communication coming in, and that's to take this to the next level. You know, like this is not one of those naive offers, but this is something good. Okay, because Pentacles, you know, is the most stable energy in the deck. So yeah, this person is coming in for communicating with you. Right now, they are holding back a lot. They are trying to do that as well, but not for very long. You see, from Four of Pentacles they go to Page of Pentacles, which is like they will try hard to hold themselves back, but then ultimately they will not be able to take it, and they will be communicating clearly with you, like, you know, this is how it is and I like you and stuff. Three of Swords. This person is hurt. It's like this breakup is hurting them as well. So if you think it's only you who has been hurt, it's not true. Maybe after you left, this person is hurting over you now. Okay, what will be this person's next move towards my Sagittarius, please? What is this person's... Ignore the noise in the background, guys. There's some kids here in the neighborhood. Alright, what's the move of this person towards my Sag? Nine of Pentacles. They don't want you to be single. Ah, they adore you. King of Wands. They have passion for you. This person is very intimidated by your independence. You know, it's like the way you have come up as this, and by the way, we have 9, that's Sagittarius. So yeah, the way you have portrayed yourself, the way you have carried yourself, the way you have stood tall, this is what intimidates this person, because this person in themselves are very strong and you know, hot-headed, I would say, but it's like they are strong, okay? And by strong, I don't mean they can beat the shit out of someone. It's just that they have a very strong personality, and they like that about you, that you are also not dependent on them. And you intimidate this person somehow. Alright. So what's the future of this connection? So yeah, somebody is going to open up for a love offer. But let's see what's the future. Future is the 10 of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Strength card. I think you guys will accept it. What's up, you guys? You will accept it. If it's a water sign, you're going to accept it. Some of you, and if it's a Leo again, you're going to accept it. But you know, you see, you are very much in your power, okay? You are not crumbling. You are not... you're not about, you know, you're not bending over backwards for someone now, which is great. And this person knows this. They like you for your inner strength. If you think they like you for your looks or money or etc., that's not true. They like for the fact that you're a very strong individual in yourself. So your power, your authority, your aura is something which attracts this person. They find you very independent and sexy, if I would say. You know, and this person is really liking that you stood very tall in whatever they had put you through, and I mean, they want to make you an offer. And I think some of you will be accepting it as well. I see marriage very strongly. I don't know if you're getting married to this person. If it's a Taurus or a water sign coming towards you, I think you might end up with this person, because it looks really well. And there could be a Leo as well in the picture though. That's a beautiful reading. Yeah, give your relationship a chance. Somebody wants a second chance with you, and I think you will be giving it to them. And if you're not in the comment section, don't tell me, because then this is not your reading, because here I see that this Sagittarius is giving them a chance. Alright, the Sagittarius energy that I am picking up is giving a chance to this person. Let's see for singles now. So what's coming towards in love for my singles? So people who were waiting for someone, this person is coming back, and they're coming back with marriage offer, guys. But what's for singles? Okay, for singles, if you're dealing with a Cancer, this person is stuck over you, but they are not going to make any move. That's the Hanged Man energy. This person is not taking an action. I think something in your relationship has happened in such a way that you both are second guessing it now. This person keep tabs on you though. There is someone who keep tabs on you, and I think, but they won't speak, you know, that's the problem. If you're dealing with a Cancer or a Pisces, this person is slowly trying to second guess the connection. That's number one. And number two, they won't do anything right now. Like in November, if you want this person to come forward and do something, like take an action, they will take time. But they stalk you, they keep tabs on you. Some of you, either you have blocked this person and that is why they are not able to take an action, or maybe they are blocked. Like they might have blocked you. Some communication is a blockage here big time with someone you're dealing with. Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But this person stalks the hell out of you. Yeah, no action. For singles, I think this is not the month, you guys. You are interested in someone who does not take an action, okay? And that's maybe... I can see a separation for like some time. I think you guys will not be taking an action in November. Right now, you guys are just trying to isolate yourself from the situation. All right, let's take a Romance Angel card for Sagittarius overall. Message, give me, that was quick. Keep an open mind, some of you, because I think you are also trying to have like a checklist that this is how my partner should be and I'm not gonna compromise on anything. So some of you really need to, second guess that. Maybe that's the Hanged Man energy, that you need to second guess. Things will not happen as the way you happen. Some mix and match is required. One more card. Let go of control issues. Yeah, I was sensing that very strongly. So I see that you are in a love situation where a little compromise, a mix and match is required. If you're too stubborn about the idea of love, that this is how it should be, like you have a standard operating procedure, my partner should be 5 feet 5 inch, if he's 5 feet 4 inch, I'm not gonna accept. That's not how it's gonna be, right? And that's just an example. Okay, so like you have a set boundaries, set rules for a person, but that's not how it is. Nobody is perfect. You need a little mix and match here and there, okay? And that's how love happens. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.